Hi everyone. Tired of messy kitchens and slow cooking? Here are 15 must-have gadgets that will save you time and make cooking a total breeze. Number 1. The microwave pasta cooker with strainer lid. If you love pasta but hate the mess, this gadget is perfect. Just add pasta and water, microwave, and drain easily with the built-in strainer lid. Fast, simple, and mess-free, ideal for quick lunches, weeknight dinners, or late-night snacks. Next up, number 2, the TOPZEE blender for smoothies. This powerful little blender makes it super easy to whip up fresh smoothies, shakes, and even sauces in seconds. Just add your ingredients, blend, and enjoy a creamy, smooth drink every time. Perfect for busy mornings, post-workout smoothies, or quick, healthy drinks anytime. Number 3, the Nostalgia 3-in-1 breakfast station. This all-in-one gadget makes mornings easier and more delicious. Cook pancakes, fry eggs, toast your bread, and brew coffee, all at the same time. Perfect for busy weekdays, lazy weekends, or anyone who loves a complete breakfast without the hassle. Quick, convenient, and a total game changer for your kitchen. Next up, number 4, the electric composter for your kitchen. Turn food scraps into nutrient-rich compost in just hours, not weeks. It's fast, odor-free, and perfect for anyone who wants to reduce waste and help the environment. Simply add your leftovers, switch it on, and let it do the work. A must-have for eco-friendly kitchens. Next, number 5, the OVENTE 2-tier electric food steamer. Steam your favorite veggies, fish, or dumplings quickly and easily, keeping all the nutrients intact. With 2 tiers, you can cook multiple foods at once, saving time and energy. Healthy, fast, and super convenient, a must-have for any kitchen. Next up, number 6, the AROMA digital rice cooker. Cook perfect, fluffy rice every time without the guesswork. Just add rice and water, press start, and let the digital controls do the rest. It's fast, convenient, and keeps your rice warm until you're ready to serve. Ideal for busy weeknights or anytime you want perfectly cooked rice with zero hassle. Number 7, the Kitchen Mama Rechargeable Can Opener. Opens cans effortlessly with just one touch. Fast, easy, and perfect for any kitchen. Number 8, the Crockpot Classic Slow Cooker. Just add your ingredients, set the timer, and come back to a hot, delicious meal. Perfect for soups, stews, and effortless home-cooked dinners. Number 9, the Moss & Stone Electric Crepe Maker. Make thin, perfect crepes in minutes, right at home. Quick, easy, and fun for breakfast or dessert. Number 10, the KitchenArt Selector Spice Auto Measure. Measure spices perfectly every time with just one touch. Fast, accurate, and a must-have for any kitchen. Number 11, titanium cutting boards. Durable, easy to clean, and perfect for chopping, slicing, and dicing. A sleek and practical addition to any kitchen. Number 12, the onion holder for slicing. Keep your fingers safe while slicing onions or other veggies. Quick, easy, and super handy for any kitchen. Number 13, the Circle Joy Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Grind your spices fresh for maximum flavor. Easy to use, stylish, and perfect for every kitchen. Number 14, the Umilife Food Container Lids Organizer. Keep all your container lids neatly stored and easy to find. Simple, organized, and perfect for any kitchen. Number 15, the Ankou Airtight Food Storage Container Sets. Keep your food fresh and organized with these durable, airtight containers. Perfect for meal prep or pantry storage. If you loved these kitchen gadgets, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing finds.